Hello, my name is Guido van der Graaf, and today I'd like to show you how you can create strengths from your SWOT with the help of ChatGPT and your customer reviews. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all the reviews of TripAdvisor, but also of Google into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT if they can extract my strengths through the eyes of my customers. I need my strengths to be able to, yeah, define my unique selling points or to be able to define my value proposition. So that's kind of the branding of your company, and that you show in your communication how you are different or maybe better than your competitors. Or in short, why should a customer choose for your company? And sometimes you struggle with that, right? So, or you don't really know how to do, because of course you can think of your strengths because of a brainstorm, or you could ask customers, but why don't you just analyze all your customer reviews that are already online? So in this video, I used Nature Trail as an example. So thank you, Nature Trail, for letting us use your company as an example for this video. All right, so Chat GTP. To get the best result, it's handy to give ChatGPT a role. Now, why is that? That is because you like ChatGPT already to think along a certain way. And if you give it a role, then it says, okay, that's the way you want me to think. So in this case, I said as a marketing consultant. So ChatGPT already knows, okay, this is going to be about marketing. And I want them to, or him or she, to define the strengths of the company Nature Trail based on my TripAdvisor reviews. This works pretty neat actually without Flow and Gemini. But I wanted to use ChatGPT here because I felt ChatGPT sometimes is a bit better in analyzing data and get the results I want. Though Gemini is getting much better, so I feel that gap is closing. But Gemini is much better in consistently analyzing web pages, because sometimes ChatGPT is doing this really well, and in this example it doesn't, which yeah, doesn't hurt a lot, but it makes me do an extra step. So what did I do? I just copied all those reviews that are here in TripAdvisor, and I copied them into the system. So that's what I did here. And when you scroll down, you will see nicely, okay, based on these reviews here, you have your 5 strengths. So notice also that all the way on the top, I said, okay, identify these strengths in 5 bullet points. And so if you have a certain format in your head, do share that with the AI system. So great, I have 5 bullet points. I refined them with all the reviews from Google, which I also just copied and pasted. So I think I have a pretty good idea now about what customers think about my company. So try to do this also with your own company, just to see what are actually the strengths through the eyes of your customers. And then of course it's the next step, because how are you communicating those strengths on your website? You could check that right by hand. I could go through here and see if I actually said those things. And so here's about the birthplace of Buddha, which is really nice. My branding here in Nepal. Should I also already brand my company? So that's things that you could analyze. And I asked that, and I know that ChatGPT was struggling with getting all the info. So I put all the info of my website here in ChatGPT, and then it gave me some recommendations what I was supposed to do. So that's here. So it says, okay, In your why nature trail, so let's focus on that. That's the why nature trail here, right? This section we're having here 20 years of expertise, best price guarantee, tailor-made trick, and our main focus is on the quality, the first ISO certified travel company of Nepal. So that says something about the quality. And then it says, okay, that's actually really good. But, also think about putting emphasis on these personalized experiences, how that actually delivers in a reliable service and how that delivers safety. I'm not sure if that is already said here, but maybe those words were missing here. And then you can see how you can incorporate it here. You could also ask ChatGPT to rewrite this whole thing if you think writing is not your best skill. So summarizing, using TripAdvisor to define the strengths. And strengths are part of your SWOT. And you have strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Using these strengths, you're using them in your marketing communication, especially in your unique selling points. Hey, what makes my company unique compared to my competitors? And in marketing terms, we are calling that your value proposition also. How am I going to communicate about the benefits of my company? Why should people choose my company? So start experimenting with this. Try to do this yourself and let me know how that went, or if you have any questions, or if you want to be an example company.